Today we are going to demonstrate the proper technique for soldering wires. There's a few things we are going to need before we get started. Wire cutters, solder, wire strippers, and a soldering iron. First, we are going to start by stripping the wire about 1/4 of an inch. The next step is to prepare the soldering iron. Once it is heated up, we are going to clean the tip to remove the oxidization. Once it is clean, we are going to tin the tip by adding a small amount of solder to both sides. When you're soldering, it's best if you can immobilize the object that you're working on so that you can have the soldering iron in one hand and the solder in the other. Apply heat to the back side of the terminal first, and then apply solder to the front and let the heat pull the solder through.